Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by loading your clips and a clear reference audio into Filmora 13 so you can sync precisely. Drop the camera video and its onboard audio, plus your high-quality recorder track, onto the timeline and enable waveform display. This makes visual alignment possible. Once done, change the project frame rate to match your footage and add markers at a clap or transient peak. These markers act as anchors. They let you align clips quickly instead of relying on trial and error, saving time. Now you refine alignment by matching waveforms visually and then by listening. Zoom in tightly on the timeline, 1/10 or finer, and line up the spike of the clapper or transient in both tracks. Nudge the high-quality audio by single frames or milliseconds until lip movements match. If you spot gradual drift over a long take, adjust speed/duration slightly to stretch or compress the track so sync holds. You can try Filmora's auto sync for a first pass. Make sure to listen to multiple moments to confirm accuracy. Finish by unlinking and muting the camera's onboard audio so only the clean recorder plays. Apply short fades at edit points to prevent clicks. Once done, scrub through cuts and export a short test clip at your final settings to confirm sync persists after render. If audio drifts or jumps, make sure both files share the same sample rate and project FPS. If they don't, convert or re-import. Reapply a minute speed correction if drift remains. This usually fixes long take timing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.